everyone. So I came to the Coco Tams on a Saturday night. Right now it's 7:15 p.m. I wanted to show you guys. But Coco Tams in night time is almost full. The light is not perfect, but all the tables over here are full of people right now. So yeah, on Saturday night, fishermen is really the last area to be busy. Because I drove my bike right there before, and a lot of restaurants with a lot of people. Yeah, on Saturday, fishermen is really busy, guys. Compared to Chaweng and to Lamai, where it's really dead. Samui and fishermen, sorry, we still have quite a lot of people in the restaurant. Many places are open. So I'm really surprised, guys. Of course it's Saturday, but yeah. Fishermen is definitely the last area to be alive. Really alive, I mean. Because yeah, you have the Khrua Bophut Restaurant and some clients are having dinner right now. Sawadika. That's all, the Khrua Bophut is open. Pancake seller is here.
I say thank you to NSF Flight. This person, she said hi to me. I only realised afterwards, I was thinking, oh shit. Yeah.
And guys are going around. And the Smile House restaurant is open. There's some people who are having dinner too. Thai people. So yeah, it's not like crazy like it could be an ice season in a normal situation, but yeah, really compare if I was walking in Lamai right now, it will be almost dark everywhere and everything will be dead. But right here you have lights, and most of all you have life. Lodge Bophut is open, and just next door the famous restaurant the Shack. There's a lot of people actually who are having dinner. They are really famous for their steak. So the Shack was almost full. Two Fishes restaurant is open, and opposite the Frog Gecko too. The clothes shop sauna is open. And so the Happy Elephant, another pancake seller. Good evening. Oh, thank you. So the Happy Elephant is open, but looks almost empty. Thank you. Indian restaurant is open now. Gusto Italiano is open. Yeah, so you have choice. You have an Italian cuisine, French cuisine right here. It's the Darling Restaurant, which is a French owner. And you have Indian cuisine, you have the Coco Tams, you have the chuck for the steak, you have a pub to have a beer, the Frog and Gecko. So yeah, after you have also the massage shops which are open now. And because I drove from this direction, sorry, because the Kama Sutra and the Kama Pasta of course open at the corner. So yeah, right now it's 7:35 and another Irish pub is open right here, the Emerald. Not many people, but because of course it's a pub and they can't sell alcohol. So of course for a pub it's quite hard to make a business without the possibility to sell alcohol, you know. And La Cantina is open. There's not much people. And I'm arriving now, so at the corner where the boat, famous boat of fishermen is, and with the Kama Sutra and the Kama Pasta, which are open right now. Okay guys, so that's it for tonight. I wanted to, because I made this video of fishermen in daytime and I wanted to see how it looks in an evening time, especially on weekend and then on a Saturday. So yeah, of course many business like the Baya Pizzeria are closed and empty, but many of them are still open. I would say like 30%, and it's better than Lamai with like 2 or 3% of businesses open right now. Thank you. Okay guys, so this is all for this video. See you on the next video. Please subscribe to the channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and have a nice weekend because it's Saturday. Yeah, a lot of people are walking now, bikes, cars. Not a normal situation, but quite a lot of people. Okay, see you guys. Bye.